In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage groups in Docusign Esignature. Managing groups is an essential task for any account administrator or business that uses Docusign for handling various documents efficiently. Group management allows you to organize users into different categories, allocate permissions accordingly, and generally makes handling large sets of users a more streamlined process. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the Docusign website. Docusign is renowned for being the leader in electronic signatures and smart agreement management, so it's likely that you're already familiar with this part. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Docusign URL, or find it via a quick search. Once you are on the Docusign homepage, your next step is to locate and click on the Login button. You'll typically find this at the upper right corner of the page. Logging in will bring up the screen where you input your credentials. Enter your username or email and password, then hit enter or click on the login button. If you're managing accounts across your organization or team, it's important to ensure that you're using an account with the appropriate admin permissions. After successfully logging in, you will be redirected to the Docusign home. This is your central hub for any operations you'll perform. From here, look toward the navigation bar or dashboard and click on the admin link. This action will take you to the administrative section of Docusign, where you have the authority to manage various account settings, including users and groups. Once in the admin section, the next thing to focus on is accessing the Groups segment. Find and click the Groups option, usually located within a sidebar or drop-down menu. This particular page lists all of the user groups within the account. It's critical here to ensure you know which group you need to manage or set up changes. When you're on the Groups page, find the Actions option. This button will allow you to perform several actions, such as creating new groups or modifying existing ones. Click on Actions to explore the options available for your group management needs. These actions might include adding new users to a group, changing group names, or adjusting the permissions associated with each group. Navigating through these steps efficiently helps in enhancing the decision-making process and administrative control over the users within Docusign. This setup is particularly useful for businesses as it allows them to tailor user accessibility in a way that supports their operational workflow while maintaining security and conformity with internal protocols. Remember to always save your changes and review the group configurations to ensure everything is set up as intended before moving on. By following these easy steps, managing groups in Docusign Esignature will be a straightforward task. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to handle user and group management effortlessly, making collaboration through Docusign much more efficient. Thank you for tuning in, and happy managing.